Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this video, we'll be learning some key techniques to manage your worksheets effectively. Whether you're organizing data or navigating between sheets, these tips will make your work smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in. Let's talk about adding new sheets and deleting the ones you don't need. To insert a new worksheet, simply click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen, right next to your existing sheets. There we go. That's how easy it is to add a new sheet. Now, let's move on to deleting a sheet. If you want to delete a sheet you no longer need, right-click on the Sheet tab and select Delete. Just remember, once you delete a sheet, it's gone forever, so make sure it's the one you want to remove. Renaming your worksheets is another simple trick for better organization. To rename a sheet, right-click on the Sheet tab and click Rename. You can then type whatever you like to make it more descriptive. See? Renaming helps you keep track of everything without confusion. And also, you can double-click on the Sheet tab and you can rename it. Now that you have your sheets in order, let's talk about how to move between them quickly. To move between sheets manually, simply click on the tab of the sheet you want to go to. But if you're working with lots of sheets, here's a quicker way. You can use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus page up to move to the previous sheet and Ctrl plus page down to go to the next one. This method is super fast and helps you navigate your workbook without using the mouse. Last but not least, let's talk about freezing panes. This is a lifesaver if you're working with large data sets. As you can see, when I scroll down, the headers at the top of my sheet disappear. But if I want to keep those headers visible no matter where I scroll, I can use freeze panes. Click on the View tab at the top and then click on Freeze Panes. From the drop-down, choose Freeze Top Row to keep the headers in place. Now, when I scroll, my headers stay visible. This is really helpful when you're working with a lot of data and need to reference the top row constantly. We've covered how to insert and delete sheets, rename them for better organization, navigate between them quickly using keyboard shortcuts, and freeze panes to keep your headers in view. I hope these tips help you feel more confident when working with Excel. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.